Jeremy. Today we are going to do aquatic sea creatures in the beach.
Yes.
Okay, we have our sand. Crabs in the sand. So many colors on the crabs. I see a orange with spots, a brown crab. I see a pink crab. And this sand feels so cool. Okay, we have all our crabs on the beach. Now we need our ocean and water creatures in the water. For our water, we're going to add a little bit of food coloring to make a ocean blue. Time to put in our water creatures in the ocean. We have our starfish in the water, our sea plants. We have a Nemo, a clownfish.
Wait.
Wait. A shark! Run! You see? We have a brown dolphin. And we have a lobster! This is a lobster. We have a octopus, orange and blue octopus. A shark! Run, everybody! Fish in the water. In you go. We have another big shark. Whoa, that was a big splash. What is it?
It's a dolphin.
It's a dolphin in the water. She's looking for her mommy.
Look,
Sea turtle. Two blue sharks in the water. What fishes do we have? We have a cool green, blue, and black and white fish. It's a yellow and black fish. It's a blue tiger shark. Two corals in your hand. Oh, we have a mommy and a baby octopus. Go in the water. Big splash. Whoa, that was a big splash. Two more clownfish, sea plant, and an anemone. These are all our sea creatures. There's so many. Now we're gonna add the sand crabs into the water.
Bye, friends.
Thank you for watching.